883 here. Welcome to the channel, you guys. If you haven't, man, be sure to subscribe to the channel, man. Smash that like button. The first thing you know, I was noticing a lot of people was talking about it on this little forum that I'm following on Facebook, and everybody is talking about the Sportster and if it's a good starter bike and all this other stuff and everything else like that. So you know what, I just decided on maybe just doing a video just talking about, I guess, whether or not the Iron 883 is a good starter bike or starter motorcycle. I don't know what I might name it. Might name it one of those, I don't know. I mean, something minor, slight, you know, a little slide. Is the Iron 883 a good starter motorcycle? Yes, I definitely believe that it is a great starter motorcycle. The way I look at it is like this. You don't want nothing that's too small, you don't want nothing that's too big. Starting off. Now, if you want to just go for the win, go ahead and get yourself a nice little 1200 or something. You know, 103, you know, get yourself a good little something. But at the same time, you don't really got to. Like, if you were like me, you know, this is my first motorcycle. I didn't know what I was getting myself into. So what I decided, I don't know what this dude doing. I know y'all people, what's up, dude? But yeah, yo, this is my first motorcycle. I've ridden many other bikes, but I would definitely say yes, this motorcycle is a great starter motorcycle if it's your first bike. For me, I didn't want nothing that was going to be too big. I didn't want nothing that was going to be too little and I was going to regret getting it. My guy Joey down at Harley of Baltimore told me when I got this motorcycle, he said chances are I'm going to outgrow this motorcycle, so be looking to upgrade. Sure enough, that's exactly what happened. I do feel as if I outgrew this motorcycle, but this is still a lot of motorcycle for me, you know? So, pretty bike. This is definitely still a lot of motorcycle for me. It's an 883 motor. That's technically like a 900. But at the same time, you look at it as far as like in the other motorcycles, I was looking actually at first getting like a 750 or something like that, and everybody was telling me, no, don't do that, don't do that. The 750s is something close to what you would actually use on an MSF course, and that's what I actually did. I actually used, I believe it was like a 600 or 500, I don't know. But yeah, they basically said that, you know, you want to get something that you can grow into, something that's going to be comfortable. And I didn't want to get nothing that was going to be too small. So, out of the bat, an 883 motor, definitely good choice, good decision. I'm gonna bump this Yubi. Second thing I would say as far as the price point, now I'm not sure how your finances are looking or anything else like that, but definitely an 883 you can definitely find, most even 1200s you can actually find for maybe just a few grand. So that was actually fairly good. It's good. They love it. It's a good choice to get your feet wet, you know. They love the 883. But yeah, this is a 14. I got this joint from the Harley dealer at a really good price, actually. They definitely worked with me. They also hooked me up with the MSF course, because you know you get a little discounty if you do the MSF course too through Harley for the bike. So definitely want to look into that. So I wound up doing that. Like I said, it was definitely comfortable. I loved it. Price point, like I said, was definitely comfortable enough for me to get it, be able to toy around with it. I can keep it, but then I can also sell it if I do want to upgrade. So that was definitely a good thing. I know a lot of people are going to say like, nah, man, the Sporty's a girl bike. Man, forget what they say, dog. It ain't no girl bike. Ain't no such thing as a girl bike. It can come out in all pink, hot pink. And if that's something that you like, then that's just something that you like. It ain't got to be a girl bike, you know. It's just something that they just put on it to just say, oh, it's a girl bike. I don't know why. Now, I definitely think it's maybe because mostly women would actually have a Sporty or ride a Sporty. And I say that don't mean nothing at all, yo, because when it all come down to it, I see chicks on big baggers, you know what I'm saying, with the 8 hangers and all of that other stuff, you know what I'm saying. So I don't necessarily really want to say, oh, put a tag on it to say, oh, nah, man, Iron 883 is a girl's bike. Bullshit. An Iron 883 is not a girl's bike. There's no such thing as a girl's bike. A motorcycle is a motorcycle, whether you ride it or whether you don't ride it. The motorcycle is going to be you. Don't let nobody try to muscle you or talk you into getting a bike that's not going to be you. You know what I mean? I'm going to be real with you. When I went up to Harley of Baltimore, my man Joey tried to get me to get one of the other bikes. He wasn't just selling bikes. He was definitely trying to get me comfortable. He wanted to put me on something. He wanted to give me a motor that I was going to be happy with. That's what it was. And I definitely appreciate him. The biggest thing was just that the bikes, as far as the look of the bikes, honestly, it just wasn't my taste. So I decided on going with the 883 because the look of the bike was more my taste. And when it all comes down to it, what matters is that motor. Joey told me, he said, yo, I don't know, you sure you want to do this? And I said, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do it. Sure enough, I went to him, like at the end of the year, I think, I went to him and said, yeah, bro, I agree to train. So that was funny, man, but he definitely looked out for me, yo. He definitely looked out for me, and he's still been keeping me in the loop, just let me know what's going on with these different bikes and everything else, bikes that they get. Oh. Like I said, he definitely looked out for me, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what side you're on, bro. It's a biker behind me, but I'm trying to get in a good lane position for him. Yeah, I was trying to make sure I was in a good lane position for him. Oh, you ain't had to flex on me. You ain't had to flex on me. Man, you didn't have to flex on me. Oh man, did he just flex on me? What did I do to deserve that? What did I do to deserve that? Woo. Anyways, you guys, no such thing as a girl's bike. That's baloney. That's bullshit. Whatever you want to call it, man. Motorcycle gonna be what you want it to be, man. You like the sporty, man? Go get you a sporty, man. Stop worrying about what them people saying. There's a cat on Facebook that posted up a picture of their sporty, man, and was just like, hey, you know, good reviews and bad reviews, leave them all in the comments. One thing that I like about that page was just that everybody is so positive. And I had to get on there and I had to basically let them know, like, hey, yo, look, it don't matter whether or not they like it or they don't like it. It's your bike. If you like it, then that's all that matters. If they don't like something that you did with it, tell them to walk their ass to Harley, get them the same motorcycle, and do what it is that they're telling you that you should do to your bike. Then they can talk. Yo, you know, that's my opinion on it. Uh-oh, he looked like he about to run into him. I'm getting away from them. That. Oh man, I'm not trying to die today. More craziness, just like this dude right here trying to cut me off. Thomas English Muffins about to got it on camera though. People retarded, man. People don't pay attention. People don't pay attention. That was 2 times in a second that it just happened. 2 times in a second, Joe. And just like that, you can get hit, you can be short, and next thing you know, you ain't riding no more. So yeah, you guys, like I said, man, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, give that bell icon a good rub down, and I'll be sure to keep y'all in the loop with all of the how-tos, installs, tutorials, the reviews, and of course, you know, all of the fun. I'm Bad 883. Get off my plane.